So, ito na yung Margerite na kwan. Tinanggal ko yung kanilang stem. Yan o, yung stem niya. Tinanggal ko yung mga stem niya. Naging green tuloy yung aking kwan, yung aking nails. Ngayon, hugasan natin. So, hugasan natin. So, ayan na dyan. So, kita niyo yung water doon? So, si Kimberly, gusto niya yung flour buo doon sa kanyang bread. Sa akin, gusto ko yung flour na chop at ihalo doon sa cheese. So, chopping ko yan. Ito ang automatic na chopper ko. So, chop ko muna. Actually, wala na yung kanyang kwan. Medyo may pagka-sharp, may pagka-konting maanghang siya. Parang meretish. Parang ladisyon. Wala. Finito. Ito ay para kay Kimberly. Dahil gusto niya yung kanyang Margerite buo. Sa akin gusto ko yung nakahalo. This is mine. This is mine. So, iinuman namin ito ng stinging nettle tea. So, ito ang fresh na stinging nettle. Na-wash ko na ito. Wash na. So, green na yung kamay ko, ha. See? So, and boiled water. Very hot. So, ganyan. Good appetit. Sarap. No? Parang radish. May konting anghang. Pero mabango ang Margerite. Very tough. Mabango siya. Kaya hinahalo siya ng salad. So, try it. It's for free and it's healthy. Look at my daughter. She is teasing me again. Shut up. And but the cheese dismular the smell of Margerite. So, Margerite, Essenbier Margerite, o gukma Margerite. Lekker Margerite. Dat is maar proberen. Gros and rosé. So, this one is also fresh stinging nettle stinging. Why does my tongue always twisted? Fresh stinging nettle tea. Sarap. Sarap. Actually, I don't drink cold water at home. I always used to drink warm water or lukewarm water. Except when we go to a restaurant or anywhere in a visit, then I will drink soft drinks or cold water. But actually at home, I like to drink warm or lukewarm water. Masarap kasi eh. Masarap yung epekto ng ano ng paghugas ng dila. Sarap. Mm. Mm. So, thank you for watching, folks. The next time, now, plano ko doon sa aking stinging nettle ngayon is I am going to try, and I will video it later, a new um, drink, stinging nettle drink. I used to have a pineapple and a cucumber and stinging nettle, but I will change the orange juice and I will try an apple. I will see what is the taste of it. I wish you all have a blissful day. It's already Aksin or na ba, Kimberly? Zipsinoriawa. I wish you have to have a blissful day and advance happy evening. Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci. Shut up.